Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the top 3 must-have products from FN Sharp. That'll take your kitchen skills to the next level. Looking for top-notch kitchen tools to elevate your cooking game? Here are the top 3 products from FN Sharp that every home chef needs. First up, the Essential Chef's Knife. This knife is a must-have. Its sharp, high-carbon stainless steel blade ensures precision with every cut. Perfect for slicing, dicing, and chopping like a pro. Next, we have the Professional Paring Knife. Designed for detail work, this knife is ideal for peeling, trimming, and slicing smaller items. Lightweight, but still powerful. Finally, the all-in-one knife block set. It includes all your kitchen essentials, from a chef's knife to kitchen shears. Plus, the sleek wooden block keeps your tools organized and accessible. Upgrade your kitchen today with FN Sharp's top products. Cooking has never been this easy. And there you have it, the best from FN Sharp. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more product reviews and kitchen tips. See you next time. Visit Strimoo.com. Check link in the bio for more discount deals and offers.